guys, how's it going? Happy first day of April, woo! We made it to a whole new month. I wish I could start this month with you guys, but since we can't, we're gonna have to do it this way. So today is April the 1st. And this month, I thought it would be so fun to make a graph of the weather to keep track and see how the weather changes every day. So right now, I'm going to show you how to make a weather graph at home. So just follow along with me. Here we go. Okay, so here to start, I actually have something called graph paper. If you don't have graph paper, that's okay. You can use regular notebook paper, you can use colored paper, you can use whatever you want, but today I'm going to use graph paper. So since we are going to graph the weather every day in April, I need to give it a title. The title of my graph is going to be April Weather. And then we're checking it every day, so we're going to write daily. Now, here at the bottom, we are going to put our different options of weather that we might graph. So one option is that it could be sunny. Another option is that it could be cloudy. And another option is that it could be rainy. Let's draw pictures that go with those. All right, now that we've drawn our pictures, the next thing we need to do is draw the numbers. It's really important to write the numbers because we want to see how many days in April are sunny, how many days in April are cloudy, and how many days in April are rainy. So we're going to start the numbers right here. Yeah, we're going to start it right here. And we're going to go all the way up to, it looks like, so today is the first day of April, so I have noticed that outside of my house, it is cloudy today. So I am going to fill this in to the number 1. So right above cloudy, I'm gonna fill it in. And I'm going to do this every day to see how many days are cloudy, how many are sunny, and how many are rainy. Okay, friends, I hope that I was able to help you make your own weather graph. I hope that you keep track of the weather every day so that at the end of the month, we can see if there's a sort of pattern. Something we know about April is that this whole month is going to be the season of spring. So what are some things we remember about spring? It rains a lot. Why does it rain a lot? To help the flowers grow. That's right. And what do flowers also need to grow? Sun. So we might see a lot of sun. We might see a lot of rain. I don't know. I'm really excited to see what you get. Maybe your results will be different than mine. Since we live at 2 different places and weather is always changing, our results could end up being completely different. So I can't wait to see. Please track the weather at your house every day, and I can't wait to see it. And don't forget, if you do make a graph, please take a video or take a picture and upload it on Seesaw or on Facebook or on Twitter for me so I can see all your hard work. I miss seeing all of your guys' hard work. All right, happy learning, love y'all.